Imagine you're designing a new building, but first you need inspiration. So you search online, you type in keywords, you scroll and scroll and scroll, but nothing really fits. That's because architecture is visual, spatial, and deeply contextual. Things a keyword search can't really capture. The result? Time wasted. Ideas missed. So, what exactly is ArchSeek? It's an intelligent search and recommendation system built specifically for architects and designers. Unlike traditional tools that rely only on keywords, ArchSeek understands both visual and textual aspects of architecture. It lets you search by describing a concept in natural language, like minimalist design with natural light, or by uploading an image. Then, it finds design cases that match, not just by words, but by deeper visual and conceptual similarities. Under the hood, it's powered by vision language models and cross-modal embeddings. These models allow the system to understand images like a human critic would and relate them to what you type or show. The result? A more intuitive, flexible, and inspiring way to discover precedent studies that actually match your design intentions. So, how does ArchSeek actually work? It starts with a curated database of architectural case studies. Each one includes images and textual descriptions. But here's the key. Instead of just storing raw files and searching the text, ArchSeek uses vision language models to understand each design. Every image is analyzed by a vision language model, like GPT-4 Vision, to extract detailed architectural insights: form, materials, style, environmental context. Then, both the images and the text are converted into embedding vectors, which are compact representations that allow for powerful semantic comparison. So when you type a query or upload a sketch, ArchSeek matches it to the most relevant design cases, using both visual and textual understanding. In short, it doesn't just look for words, it looks for meaning. ArchSeek offers three main ways to explore architectural design cases, each built to match how architects actually work. First, text query. You can type in a natural language prompt like a cantilevered roof in a forest setting. The system finds relevant projects by matching both visual and textual concepts, far beyond simple keyword search. Second, image query. Upload a photo, a sketch, even a floor plan. ArchSeek analyzes it using the same vision language models, then breaks down the image into architectural features, like style, material, or context. You can even fine-tune the results using slider bars. Want to emphasize form over material? Just adjust the weights. Third, recommendations. As you interact, by clicking like on a design, the system learns your preferences. It automatically re-ranks suggestions to reflect your evolving taste. Together, these modes make search more intuitive, more personalized, and a lot more useful. How well does ArchSeek actually perform? In our evaluation, we tested 77 search queries, each linked to expert-labeled relevant cases. ArchSeek consistently outperformed both text-only and image-only methods in precision and recall. We also ran a user study with architecture students and professionals. Users praised the recommendation system for its responsiveness and loved the ability to tweak searches using image sliders. Common feedback included a desire for more variety in the case database and finer control over the interface. Overall, users found ArchSeek more efficient and intuitive than traditional search platforms, especially when dealing with complex or abstract design ideas. ArchSeek isn't just a search tool. It's a smarter, more intuitive companion for architectural exploration. By combining natural language, visual understanding, and real-time recommendations, it helps designers discover relevant case studies faster and more creatively. Looking ahead, we're expanding the database, integrating with design software like Rhino and Grasshopper, and exploring immersive features like AR and VR. The goal is simple: make architectural knowledge more accessible, more intelligent, and more inspiring.